Hi, welcome back to my channel Nas Bakes and Cooks. Today I have come up with one recipe of mango because nowadays this fruit is easily available. So I decided why not share with you a recipe of that fruit. So let's get started. Here are some mangoes. Though the skin looks green, inside it's quite ripe and sweet. So I'm going to use one of these mangoes and slice them into small pieces. In this way, I have sliced the mango. This I'm going to make a puree in the blender. Here is our mango puree. You can see how nicely I have made the puree, isn't it? So before I proceed, I would like to request you to please watch my video till the end patiently so that you will not miss out any of the ingredients that I'll be using as I proceed further. I have placed a pan on the stove and keeping the flame on high. Into this pan, I'm going to pour 500 ml of fresh milk. Before the milk starts boiling, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of agar-agar powder and boil the milk and the agar-agar powder for around 10 to 15 minutes till the powder is completely well incorporated into the milk. We have to keep on stirring continuously so that the agar-agar powder will not clump up at the bottom. Now I'm going to reduce the flame to medium and keep on cooking. We can check whether the powder has dissolved completely into the milk or not with the help of this spatula. You can see the particles are still stuck on the spatula, so we need to cook more. It's done now. I'm going to pour the mango puree and cook for another 5 minutes. We have to keep on stirring continuously. Otherwise, you know that it will clump up at the bottom, isn't it? So keep scraping the sides and keep on stirring continuously because we are going to boil for around 5 minutes only. So I think it's almost done. 5 minutes is almost over. So now I'm going to switch off the gas and remove the pan from the stove. Here it is. Let's give a final stir so that there are no lumps at the bottom. I'm going to transfer this into a mold. Here is the mold. Before pouring the pudding into it, I have greased with some butter so that while unmolding, the pudding will come out easily. So I'm done pouring the pudding into the mold. This I'm going to pop it inside the fridge and keep it for around 5 to 6 hours or until they are nicely set. So till then, let's wait with our fingers crossed. So here it is. You can see how nicely it has set. I kept it in the fridge for around 5 hours. So before unmolding on a plate, I'm going to wrap with a hot towel around the mold so that it will come out easily on the plate. Look at this. So beautiful and looks yummy, isn't it? So I'm sure you will try to make this pudding. And if you like watching my video, please give a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. And yes, please don't forget to press the bell icon so that whenever I upload any new videos, you will get the notifications. And yes, please do comment also. Thank you so much for watching my video patiently.